Hello students. Good morning. Today we will learn about what is data size and types of data size. Data size refers to the amount of digital information that is stored or transmitted. It is usually measured in bytes, where 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. The types of data size are bit, B, the smallest unit of digital information. It can only represent one of two values, usually 0 or 1. Byte, B, a byte is made up of 8 bits and is the standard unit of measurement for most computer systems. It can represent up to 256 different values. Kilobyte, KB, 1 kilobyte is equivalent to 1024 bytes. This unit is commonly used to represent the size of small files, such as text documents or images. Megabyte, MB, 1 megabyte is equivalent to 1024 kilobytes or 1,048,576 bytes. This unit is used to represent the size of larger files, such as audio or video files. Gigabyte, GB, 1 gigabyte is equivalent to 1024 megabytes or 1,073,741,824 bytes. This unit is commonly used to represent the size of hard drives, memory cards, and other storage devices. Terabyte, TB, 1 terabyte is equivalent to 1024 gigabytes or 1,099,511,627,776 bytes. This unit is used to represent very large amounts of data, such as in big data applications, scientific research, or large multimedia files. Petabyte, PB, 1 petabyte is equivalent to 1024 terabytes or 1,125,829,906,842,624 bytes. This unit is used to represent enormous amounts of data, such as in data centers or cloud storage systems. Exabyte, EB, 1 exabyte is equivalent to 1024 petabytes or 1,152,921,504,606,846,976 bytes. This unit is used to represent extremely large amounts of data, such as in high-performance computing or scientific research. Zettabyte, ZB, 1 zettabyte is equivalent to 1024 exabytes or 1,620,591,620,717,411,303,424 bytes. This unit is used to represent data on a truly massive scale, such as in global internet traffic or large-scale data analytics. Yottabyte, YUB, 1 yottabyte is equivalent to 1024 zettabytes or 1,719,925,614,629,174,706,176 bytes. This unit is used to represent the largest possible amounts of data, such as in theoretical physics or cosmology. Thanks. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.